Hey y'all, Lily here. Today I will be making a quick video showing you how to create text in Silhouette Studio. I know a lot of people struggle with using this software, so I want to make quick, straight to the point videos on how to use the basic functions. If you're struggling with Silhouette Studio, feel free to drop a comment down below and I will do my best to assist you. With that being said, let's get started. So this is what the interface looks like. I know there's a lot going on, but I'm going to try to break it down in sections so that way we don't get overwhelmed. To the top right corner, we have the Page Setup tab. This is where you select the machine you're going to be using, the type of cutting mat you will be using, and the media size that you will be using depending on what project you're creating. This section is very important because if any of these are incorrect, you won't get the accurate information sent over to your Cameo. I like to click the Show Print Border option so I get an accurate representation of what will print out, so I never cut off any part of my designs. So here I am, quickly clicking through each one of these tabs. Be sure to subscribe and ring that bell to stay tuned for future videos where I will be going more in depth on how to use each function and what each tab is for. I do have Silhouette Business, so it may look a bit different than the free version, but the free version works great for all of your basic features. When creating a design, I recommend to click the View tab and click Show Grid. This way you get a more accurate size. Each square represents 1 inch, which can help you determine the correct sizing for your design. So let's get started with the simple text design. What I like to do is click the letter A. It doesn't matter if it's on the left or the right. You click it and then you click anywhere on the screen and then you start typing whatever it is you would like to type. I'm going to be using Chimpy's designs for demonstration in this video. So you can click the outer box to resize your text. This all just depends on the design you need and what size you need. So this would be a 12 by roughly 1.5. I like to highlight the text and go over to the Open Fill Panel tab and fill in the design to any color so it stands out and it makes it easier to see the design and what you're doing. Once you got your text ready, you can go ahead and click the Send button on the far right corner. This is going to be the next step to take before sending it over to your Cameo. If you click on the design, you can set it to no cut, cut, and cut edge. This depends on the design you have. Since it's just simple text, I will be choosing the cut option, but if it's cursive, I like to choose cut edge so it doesn't cut through the font. I like to zoom in on the design to make sure I know what is going to get cut. If you can see like the darker red part, that is what your Cameo will be cutting out. Next, you will head over to the material and choose the type of material you will be using. It can range anywhere from cardstock to different kinds of vinyls, HTV, sticker paper. This is very important to also ensure a precise cut. If you select the wrong one and you're using an auto blade, it's either not going to cut through or it's going to cut too deep. So this is very important. And next we have to select the right tool we're going to use. The auto blade is my go-to because it self-adjusts to the type of material when you select it. The ratchet blade has to be manually adjusted before placed into the Silhouette Cameo, so make sure you're checking which blade you're using. All that's left to do is hit that blue send button and off it goes to your Cameo. Alright y'all, I hope this video helped y'all with getting started with the simple text design in Silhouette Studio. Should you have any questions, feel free to drop them down below and I will do my best to assist you. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.